To order dresses from SHEIN through online shopping, follow these steps. Visit the website/app, go to the SHEIN website or open the SHEIN app on your device. Create an account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one using your email or social media credentials. Browse dresses. Browse the website or app to find the dresses you like. You can use filters to narrow down your search by size, color, style, etc. Select items. Click on the dress you want to buy, select the size, and add it to your shopping cart. Review cart. Once you've added all the dresses you want, go to your shopping cart to review your selections. Checkout. Click on the checkout button. You'll need to provide your shipping address, payment details, and contact information. Apply promo codes. If you have any promo codes or discounts, apply them at this stage. Place order. Review your order details, including the items, quantities, and total cost. If everything is correct, confirm your order. Payment. Make the payment using your preferred payment method, credit/debit card, PayPal, etc. Confirmation. After successful payment, you'll receive an order confirmation email or notification. This will include your order number and estimated delivery date. Tracking. SHEIN will provide tracking information once your order is shipped so you can monitor its progress. Remember to always check the size chart provided for each dress, as sizes might vary between brands and styles. Also, read reviews from other customers to get an idea of the fit and quality of the dress.